quick demo of adding a Google Course Kit assignment in Moodle. Of course, first you already have to have editing mode on, and then in whichever week you want to add the first assignment, let's say students are going to write a paper, you click the Add an Activity or Resource button, you choose External Tool, add that, name the assignment, select Google Course Kit Assignment Tool, and that's really all you're required to enter. You can save and display, and then here it's going to ask you one time to link your Google account, and you definitely need to use your Augsburg email address here, so you would want to be logged into your Augsburg email prior to doing these steps. Click link, and then click link again. Right now it is creating a Course Kit folder in your Google Drive where you'll find all of your assignments. At this point, your work is essentially done, and the students can take over. There'll be a separate video about how the students turn their work in. Once that they do turn their work in, you can go to Open Assignment and open the student submissions and grade. There'll be another video about grading as well.